I'm at Renee's house because I lost a bet. We haven't been doing recipes because of circumstances. Stuff just keeps getting in the way. But I lost a bet from the chili recipe that she did, so I had to do a recipe with black beans. So that's what we're doing today. And I'm calling this protein-packed Crockpot meal, and you'll see why very soon. Okay, so the first step we're gonna do is, you see that meat?
Yep, we have our ground beef here already cooked.
Yep, and I bought that. So we're gonna take half of the sour cream and mix that in.
All right.
And we'll be right back.
All right, so we've added our sour cream, courtesy of Crystal's mom, Linda, so thank you for that. All right, so there it is with half of the sour cream, and we set aside the rest of it for later. What should we do next, Crystal?
Now, you see those black beans?
Yep, we have 2 cans of black beans here.
What brand are they?
They are Bush's black beans, Bush's Best.
Okay.
And there's a fly here.
They're gonna go in first.
Okay, both cans? Get out of here, fly. All right. All right, the black beans are in. What's next?
Now, our favorite. Can you guess?
The cheddar cheese soup?
Yep.
Yep. We have a can of that. And we'll add that in. All right, so we added the cheddar cheese soup and we kind of spread it around. And Crystal got the idea from this recipe from something she saw on Facebook, and kind of changed it up a bunch and made her own twist on it. So we're excited to see how that turns out. It looks really good so far. What should we do next?
Okay, you see those cans of tomatoes?
Yep, we have 2 cans of petite cut diced tomatoes.
Did we drain them yet?
No, we did not.
Okay, good, because we're not supposed to drain them.
Okay. Should we add both of those in?
Both, yes.
All right. All right, so the tomatoes are in, and next we've added about half a stick or so of melted butter. All right, and that is mixed in.
Now, the pink beans.
All right, we have a can of pink beans that we went ahead and drained. So we'll go ahead and add those in. All right, so next we have 2 eggs that I'm gonna go ahead and add. Okay, so for our last ingredients, we have some minced onions and some Creole seasoning. We're gonna add those into the other half of our sour cream and mix that in, and then we're gonna be adding it back into our pan. All right, so we have now added this to our crock pot, and we are going to let that simmer. You wanna do it at least a few hours, so we're gonna go ahead and put it on and then leave it until dinner time. So I would say at least a few hours, but as long as you have time for it. And then enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you back here next time at Recipes Mania. Bye, guys. Oops, we just realized we had another can of black beans that we forgot to put in, even though it was sitting right there with everything else. But we've gone ahead and done that now, so we hope you enjoy. Bye, guys.